Hi, today for the XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should first find the scanner application and open it. Tap to agree. Allow while using the app. Now we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So just to do that, let's do this. Wait a second, and we can see here the results, so we can visit the website directly to copy the text, save it, or to share with someone. That's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that, just not with the help of the scanner application on the home screen. Just you should open the control panel and find here somewhere scanner icon. If you don't see this icon here, click to this edit icon. Find the scanner, click to the plus to add it to your panel, tap to done, and now by click to the scanner icon you could by the same way scan QR codes with your XIAOMI device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.